Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Porsche key. First, identify if you have a traditional mechanical key or an electronic key fob. We will cover both methods in detail. It is crucial to follow the steps carefully to prevent damage to your key or ignition system. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked and turned off before attempting any key removal. This guide will help you master the process with confidence. For the mechanical key, begin by locating the small, often silver, release button on the side of your key fob. Press and hold this button firmly. While holding it, gently pull the metal key blade straight out from the fob. It should slide out smoothly with minimal effort. Avoid twisting or forcing it. This mechanical key is essential for manual entry in case of a dead battery. To remove the electronic key fob from the ignition, first ensure your Porsche is in park and the engine is completely off. Turn the key fob counterclockwise to the off position. With a gentle, steady pull, extract the fob straight out from the ignition slot. If it feels resistant, double-check that it is fully in the off position. Never apply excessive force, as this could damage the ignition mechanism. Remember these best practices for safe key removal. Always confirm your vehicle is in park and completely powered down. Use gentle, consistent pressure rather than brute force. If you encounter persistent difficulty, refer to your Porsche owner's manual for model-specific instructions or consider consulting a certified technician. Proper care ensures the longevity of both your key and your vehicle's ignition system.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.